Merry Christmas!
Secret Agent Cat.
It's okay, we're good friends, right?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Oh, I want!
How many things can you put on a cat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I know what you're thinking. Wrong. Okay, there is a cat in the hat.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
What does a cat say?
Cat.
Channel 3, 10 o'clock on my ZTV.
Did you get it? Yes.
Of evidence, and to the extent that we have the power to prevent evidence from being.
My God, I haven't seen my cat all day. Where is he? Hello? Did I forget to feed you?